it's been a week. I'm back at the garage, still working on the steering wheel. Got some stuff to fix that. But Daan is also here, and he's bought something.
So we got an air filter with a heat shield. Oh, and a new blast for my soft top.
Cold air intake. Gonna give you a whole 0.7 of a horsepower.
0.8.
Wow. So we're gonna remove what?
This. Apparently you also have a few tubes here.
Daan is eating a
Cow paste.
cow paste with cheese.
You take it a bit, so you go this way.
Doesn't look like it'd be that hard.
No. But the thing is, yeah, this goes here, that's quite easy. The thing is, we have these parts here. This goes on here, that's easy. I don't know what this is. Oh, this only here on the air filter, so that just goes off, that's fine. Then it shouldn't be that hard.
They can smell the cow paste.
Okay, so let's get your steering wheel off.
The thing with the steering wheel, the new one, is this is just a few millimeters taller than this, the old one. So,
And especially from like this to there.
yeah.
There's the difference. And secondly, you also notice the second error. If you look at the 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3. Jim has it here the wrong way.
Yeah, so I gotta redo that.
Again.
Yeah, and then figure out the rest of this mess.
Yes, alright. And I'm gonna start on disassembling this stuff. Maybe first start with the clips.
You love clips, don't you, Dan?
Oh, I hate them.
Should I try?
There it is. Okay. Okay. Then we can remove this part. Get this loose maybe. Let's see if the screwdriver is big enough. I think maybe we need a bigger one. No, it's okay. Or
No.
not. The screwdriver good loose. Did you see it? Look.
So the screwdriver itself is the handle is turning.
And that's not a good thing. Let's look at this one.
Yeah, that one works.
Yeah.
So
Maybe I should get a good one.
Yeah. It is definitely a good one.
Yeah, not ready.
Maybe you should just try the bolt instead of the screw.
Yeah, but it's difficult to get here. You see this in front of it.
No, it's just but turning the top. It is a bolt.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. See?
A lot easier. Hey, this part.
What was that?
I don't know.
A flew.
It was probably on here or something.
Is it important?
I don't know. We'll see.
What's the thing on the bottom?
I don't know. Probably some stupid emission shit to make your car less powerful. So fuck it.
In the bin. Why don't we just take this?
Yeah, why not?
You just have a hot air intake.
It is. Okay.
In the bin.
There box.
Are you gonna clean this a bit? I mean that you can reach it?
So I found instructions, and apparently you needed to adjust this to the bolt of the snorkel, and I know that is that one. Just need a better washer for it, but then this should go like this. So looking like we're gonna get it done.
Wish all our installs were this easy.
Don't say anything like that yet, Jim. We still need
You're gonna
make sure it
hit the
works.
thing where
Yeah.
it's like, oh, you
Yeah.
can't drive this for a month.
Yeah, exactly. This one. I'm not going to click on mine yet, until we are sure it's okay.
It's powering the airflow. A modern, advanced, oil-free filtration technology. Okay. Alright, to prevent the filter from rubbing there, little piece of foam.
Yeah. Okay.
Use some double-sided tape to keep it in place.
Smart like a bar.
Yep. That should do it.
Nice.
Okay, let's see how it sounds. Or let's listen how it sounds actually. You can definitely hear that. Sound any different now?
Does sound different.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's more aggressive. I think we did it.
We actually did a one-day build for once.
Yeah. Okay, something that has been annoying me since I got this car is that it would open and wouldn't, the latch wouldn't
Close properly.
Wouldn't close properly, and that's because this thing was worn out. So I got a second-hand new one that is still okay, as you can see. Yeah. And now we're gonna
new for you.
3 screws. So yeah, it's even easier than the install we just did because we've been here 1.5 hours and I've already done all my installs.
Yeah.
And
we've literally done nothing on my car.
No. Well, we got the steering wheel off and we got the one thing on, and we found a method to fabricate the remaining cylinders you need.
Yeah.
Or at least an idea. So I think we're also on the right track there. I don't know if you can see it here. You can see here it's completely worn out.
Oh yeah.
So I always use my sun visors to keep it shut while going 200 on the highway. Don't know if what's the best.
200 on the highway in Mexico, of course, on a closed road.
No, in Germany.
Oh yeah,
Close.
Germany, yeah. Autobahn.
Yeah. So the only one that regularly goes to the Autobahn is the Aguila. But we push past 200 on the speedometer this year.
Yeah.
Past the 200, not at the 200, past the 200. The thing f***ing stops at 200 and it went past the 200. It's crazy. It has a 1 liter 3-cylinder, and we were with 3 guys and all our ski equipment in it, so it was quite insane. So
easiest install of the day.
yeah,
It was like, it said 2 minutes. Well, you were explaining before, so I think 1.5 minutes.
yeah. So that's nice. Also goes in the old shit.
In the bin.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we went home. Oh, we did the test drive, but we forgot to film it.
Yeah.
So we can do it a bit later, but
yeah.
it sounds sick.
Yeah.
And Jim has got this thing from his father. Oh, wait, I want to show it.
Okay, so basically, let me start from the start. The steering wheel didn't quite fit, so this pin needs to touch this brass ring. So I have created, together with my dad, this little bit of tube. There's a couple more tubes in there, soldered together with some tin. I've got a tiny little carbon brush that'll touch that brass ring. And this slips right over there and holds this carbon brush in place. Part 2 is this ring has these 3 little pins which are supposed to go in these holes, but they don't actually go in. So we're gonna take these bits of tube, hammer them in there, cut them off at the right length, and then they should slide right over those pins.
So we got 2 of these things in, but didn't have enough for a 3rd one. Now you're finding them on the inside.
Yeah, that's where the plastic pin is.
It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it does. First I want to see if this actually fits. There we go.
Fits?
We are engineering masters.
Geniuses, I would say.
Absolute genius.
So, MIT, we're waiting for a honorary PhD in engineering.
One thing I want to do, as you can see, there's a bit of wiggle room. I want to just shove something in there so it doesn't wiggle.
Teflon tape.
Now it's got to have nice contact. Do we have a bit of tubing that goes in here? Yes, we do. Does this bit of tubing go over here? It doesn't.
No. Oh, it doesn't even go over there. Why isn't your horn working? Why isn't your horn working?
Like this?
Yeah.
That's not how it works.
How does it work?
This is just an electrical contact.
Yeah?
Like this, the steer itself is the plus, and then this touching that ring is the minus. And then that little button activates it.
Okay, okay.
We hollow this out a bit, or use half of this, and then shove it under.
I could also do that.
I took a little bit of half tubing, shoved it right in there. Tubing.
Yeah, you can see it a bit.
And now this
is snug. Nice. Okay.
We are such geniuses, Daan.
Yeah.
Okay, now
We do our own fabrication.
a little bit of carbon brush.
Okay, now let's put the steering wheel on, right?
Yeah. If this actually works.
Where's the steering wheel?
Where'd you put it?
I didn't move it, did it?
Oh, there. Okay. Okay, if this actually works.
Yeah.
Like,
let's not get too happy until it works.
Yeah. Slightly compressed. This still has a bit of spring. Somehow it hunked.
Yeah, because you put pressure on it.
Oh wait, it's. Oh, okay. It works. It actually works. Look at this.
So,
Oh my god.
but now you need to put it on more.
Let's start.
Oh,
That also works. We're genius, Daan.
Jim,
We are such geniuses.
we are in fucking business. Okay, let's get this thing finished. Is it untidy? Is it untidy?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Oh, what did you do?
I just shoved this on there a bit tighter.
But now it still doesn't work.
We're having a bit of trouble with the horn button. So just making direct contact by touching the wire to the steering wheel works, but the horn button works sometimes.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why.
So be very careful when pushing.
There's some.
Did you get it?
Did some.
Does it work?
Why the fuck?
Why doesn't it work? Oh. What'd you do?
Yeah, I don't know, just jimmying with it a bit.
I think you pushed on the wire a bit.
Or connected it. No, I was just putting my fingers like this. Oh.
Oh, it works. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, it just needs to. Okay, just while it's on there, squeeze it tight with the pliers. And it works now. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
All right, we have steering wheel installed with working horn and working
Automatic return,
to off.
blink signal thingies.
Yeah, turn signal thingies, blink signal.
Blink signal thingies.
Okay, so let's put the cover back on and then see how it drives with the new steering wheel.
Just a few screws, nothing difficult, right, Jim?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, I'm already getting pissed off. It clicks. Oh, nice. Okay.
It's not clicked everywhere. Okay, so Jim says he can do a 30-second install of the shift knob.
Yeah.
Okay.
The steering wheel is in.
Wait, I'm going to go to the passenger seat. Okay, so we've started.
Does this just twist on?
It should. Otherwise, not a 30-second install and you've lost. Ooh, you've got 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. No, not 30 seconds, Jim.
There we are.
Within a minute, so we'll call it successful. Okay, so does it now shift better? Yeah. Okay, so we're going. We found that our manufacturing creates a bit of a sound.
Yeah. Steering wheel's quite nice,
Yeah.
although it's not straight. God damn it.
That's the most difficult part, to get it on completely straight.
Yeah, so this is going straight.
I have the same problem currently. Oh, it's the new stick.
That's also nice.
Right.
Daan's driving the subie, trying out the steering wheel.
So it's smaller as well, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
The knob is also better.
Huh?
The knob is better.
Yeah.
You knobhead.
Alright, so it's a success. I just gotta readjust the steering wheel a bit so it's straight. The weird feeling seems to have gone also with just a bit of driving. So yeah. Momo steering wheel install complete. Cold air intake.
Yeah, sure.
Also complete. We actually did a lot of stuff.
Get out.
I'm beginning locked on. Okay, bye.
Bye. Come on.
Bye.